Kumusta mga kaibigan? Kung gusto nyo po ng mga bidyong katulad nito, huwag nyo po sanang kalimutang mag-video sa like at mag-channel to my subscribe. Let's go! Yan po yung total price niya.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me,
May mga variation nga pala siya.
never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone
Yan naman yung mga picture.
saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day,
Buksan ko na.
not okay. All I want, and I pray
Yan po yung hitsura niya.
days. Yeah,
Kusa na siyang bumabalik pag tinutulak.
all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Tatlo nga pala yung tornilyo niyan, dalawa sa harap, isa sa likod.
You're only young once, yeah that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay.
Kailangan mo munang buksan to bago mo maikabit yan.
No shame, wait no, it's sleeping.
Ganito nga pala yung hitsura niya kapag nakabit na.
Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
Yan po yung product details niya.
Late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need.
Kung gusto nyo po ng mga bidyong katulad nito, huwag nyo po sanang kalimutang mag-video sa like at mag-channel to my subscribe. Bye-bye!